here at the Upper Sandusky Community Library. My name is Miss Jill, and Miss Crystal is the one that is doing our technical part. So we want to welcome you to our program. Today we are doing weaving. Now you may have seen weaving with material, but we are going to do weaving with paper. And we are lucky today that we have some special guests with us.
Hi, my name is Heather Kano. This is Harper and Eden, and we're going to do a craft today.
And we are so glad that you're here today. What the girls will first want to do, they have a white piece of paper in front of them. I went ahead and cut some, but they are cutting strips so that they would be able to do their weaving. So if you would go ahead and start doing your strips, there's only a few more that you need to cut. The paper that we chose to use today is cardstock. It makes it a little bit heavier, but I wasn't sure what the girls' favorite colors were. So that's why I went ahead and chose white so that they can use their different strips. Okay, they are very good cutters. So now, if you go ahead and open it up, there you go. Yes, and just go like that. Now, why don't you go ahead and choose one color that you will be using that you are going to do for the weaving.
What color?
I know, there's almost too many colors to choose. Okay, so now what you will do with your strip of paper, and you know what, I think I would make the paper like Harper's is.
Okay.
Turn it that way. I think it may be easier. Now, maybe start at the bottom and just use one piece of paper, one strip, and you are going to start at the bottom, and for the first one go over, then under. There we go. See, this is a little bit harder than what it looks like. And unfortunately, at the very end, it makes it even harder because you're trying to put a whole bunch in. There you go. Over and under.
That one will be over.
And there we go. So what are your favorite colors? What is your favorite color, Harper?
Light blue.
Light blue. Oh, and you know what? I couldn't find any blue when I was looking for it. Sorry about that.
That's how it goes.
There we go. And how about your favorite color?
Color.
Green, all right, I do have green. Okay, so now go ahead and get another strip. If you want the same color, you're more than welcome to. Or if you want a different one, you can. But now you're going to do it the opposite of what you had before. There you go.
Just start the opposite. There you go. You're going to pick green.
Oh, you're going to pick your favorite color, aren't you? Okay, but just, do the opposite.
Opposite. Look. So you started on top. Now you're going to start under.
There we go.
And then you're going to go up and down and up and down. Does that make sense? Yep. You're going to go under.
Yes, I think you're doing yours just right.
Track, yep.
See, but it's harder than what it looks.
Maybe after a few we'll get the hang of it, huh?
There we go. It just takes a while.
Now
You know, they used to have
under.
like looms that you could get, and I don't know what you call those bands.
Little pot holders?
Yes, yes, I don't know what
We
you
have
call
one
those
of
things
those.
that you have go in and out.
Yeah, like little fabric pieces.
Yes, yes, exactly.
This is the same idea.
And then try to move your green one over toward the pink one.
Scooch it over. Can you?
Oh, those are really looking nice. Okay, so do you want to go ahead and choose another one? Choose one more strip? Now you're going to change, huh? All right.
I'm going to go back and forth with pink.
Yeah,
Okay.
do the opposite of what the one that you just did
Now you're going
is.
to go over the first and under the second.
There we go.
And under this one. Under this one.
Okay. Wait, do the opposite, Harper. Yep.
Let's see. You're going to go on top this time. See? On top and under. Now on top.
There you go.
Under.
All right. Yes, you're doing it.
Okay.
You got it.
You got it?
And then, once you get that one put
There we go.
in,
This.
See, this is harder than it looks, isn't it? Yes,
It's a little
I know
hot.
when I was doing mine, it took a while to do it too.
Kind of pay attention, don't
There you go.
you? This one goes over and under.
And so you can use a variety of colors of paper with this. And there we
That
go.
one's a good shade.
Very good.
You're on the right track. You're gonna go under. Just keep weaving.
Oh, so do you have a pattern? You're going to go green, pink, green, pink? Is that
Looks
how
that
you're
way.
going to do with yours? Very good.
That's okay. That one goes under. And then move this
Okay,
over.
yes. If you just do maybe one more,
Okay.
and then we'll have it all done and moved over. And with these,
It's over.
you can maybe hang your masterpiece up on the wall or put it on the refrigerator. Sometimes people use them as placemats too.
Yeah.
Now, if you would show what the finished products look like, there is one that we have done that has a variety of colors. Or sometimes you can just keep using the very same color. But I also noticed in one of our craft books that they had taken a picture, which in the middle one, that is where I had a picture of a big ship. And then I just did the weaving with that. So these are projects that you can try. If you don't have these items at home, you can come to the library and we will have some of the paper all ready for you. So I want to thank you so much for coming and showing everybody how to do our craft. Thank you very much. We'll see everybody later. Bye-bye.